God bless always, and just put God at center of your relationship and everything will be fine. Okay?
Okay ba? For Joven and Dion, as I wrote in one of the cards, love has its ups and downs, highs and lows, but respect for each other has to be there to keep your love constant. So, work on respecting each other and deserve the respect that you're given. More power! Happy ever after!
Ano yun? Wala magpapahinga sa honeymoon.
Congratulations and best wishes! Ako naman! To Joven and Dion, good luck, best wishes. Alam ko magiging successful yung marriage nyo dahil nakita ko kayo kung paano magsimula and masaya-masaya kami para sa inyo. Maraming kids! Girls, sana! Ang first baby nyo.
Brad, alam ko naman na ako ang original na nagturo sa'yo ng term of endearment mo. So for that, thank you. For that, malaki ang utang na loob nyo sa akin. Hindi, honestly, I wish you all the best. Alam ko namang nasa inyo na ang lahat. Lahat ng yaman, katanyagan, at pagbabunyag. Hindi. Sige, carry lang yan. Basta itodo na. Brad, I love you both.
Votre mariage est parfait, vraiment parfait. Félicitations.
Vous êtes bien préparés pour votre mariage et nous sommes très fiers pour vous. Oui, bonne chance.
Huwag niyo kakalimutan kunin kaming ninong at ninang sa una niyong anak. Okay?
I wish you long years of happy marriage.
God bless. Tsaka damihan nila yung makukuha nila sa supling. Yun lang po.
I don't. Good luck. Palagi kayong happy. Basta palagi dapat masaya. Kung ano mga problema, dapat lutasin nyo kagad. Okay lang. Good luck sa inyong dalawa.
Congratulations! Ano to?
Dion! Joven! Ano sabihin ko? Best wishes and congratulations!